Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is a review of the August BOXYCHARM. Here's my box. Just received it. BOXYCHARM. Okay, so it's August BOXYCHARMs. BOXYCHARMs. August BOXYCHARM is Life of the Party. Live it up. Cute picture with Lorelei in the middle, and then it has a list of all items plus some coupons for Smashbox and Lorelei. So the first thing, of course, that pops up is the Lorelei Los Angeles palette. Party Animal, such a cute palette, really small. It's a Party Animal eyeshadow palette. Comes with a mirror. Beautiful colors. They're really colorful. Colors I'm wearing in my eyes. Really pigmented. This retails for $19. I know it's sold out, but they said that they'll keep us updated on what's to be back in stock. Apologies for my voice. Don't know what happened. Next is this Becca Assorted Primers. I got the first light priming filter. It's this purple one right here. I'm not a big fan of this one. I tried it before. Don't really care for it. Next is Wonder Beauty Gold Eye Mask. It comes with 3, but I already used 1. And these are retail for $13. These hydrate and reduce the appearance of dark circles. Got really nice under my eyes. Leave on for 10 minutes and you're good to go. Next is the Bang Beauty Bang Beauty Chocolate Eyeliner. It's a little pomade. You can use this as an eyeliner, eyeshadow base, or even touch up for brows. It's creamy. Feels creamy. Blends really nice. This retails for $22. Next is this NCL Los Angeles Treatments. So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. This retails for $18. I never had a cuticle oil before. Smells good. And the last is a Smashbox Liquid Metal Lipstick. This one retails between $21 and $24. And they got in this shade Muscat Mold. A really pretty metallic red. Orange, red, reddish. This is really pretty. So, August month's BOXYCHARM came with 6 full-size products. I loved everything except for this Becca primer. I'm not a big fan of this one, but everything else I'm going to enjoy it, use it, and test them out. This month's BOXYCHARM retails for $114 for all the items that we got. And it only costs $21 a month to subscribe. I'm going to leave my link so you can sign up and get full-size products monthly. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really apologize for my voice. I don't know what's going on. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.